What you doing, Big?
What?
What you doing?
Beating shark tooth and we eaters. Come on, this shark tooth. Ah! Yay! Dinosaur. He has to be, his nose has got huge teeth. And I got this big beast. I'm surely beating on this shark tooth. Hey, one part of my beater broke. That's a new way to beat this dumb beast. Just one more whack and this dinosaur will be dead. Whoa. Oh. The dinosaur's dead. Dave, go fast!